Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out two cars from the 2020 Hot Wheels Art Car Series. So smash that big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now first up, we'll check out Fished and Chipped, car 4 of 10 from that Art Car Series. Both of these cars were in the 2020 G case, so check out that unboxing. Now Fished and Chipped here has that plastic body, got that die-cast base, got sort of a nice black pattern over that white car body. Now the pattern is very like Maori designed. Let me know what sort of design you think it is. Got that big W on top and it almost looks like a Union Jack on the side. Black interior, tinted windows, and it's wearing grey PR5 wheels. Alright, let's try Fished and Chipped on the track and see how it performs. It is a very long car, very low to the ground. I don't have my fingers crossed for this one because I knew it wasn't going to work. Lost all of its speed when it came out of that loop and into the curve. It just doesn't hug the track because it's too long. You can see here those wheels, there's such a long distance between the front and the rear, so it just doesn't stick on the track. Alright, let's check out the second car for today, and it is La Fasta, and it's car 6 of 10 from that Hot Wheels Art Car Series for 2020. If you haven't already, smash that big thumbs up. Now you can see here, this car has got the letter H on the hood. It's wearing those Trap 5 wheels that are blue and chrome and white, so they're really cool looking wheels. It's got a black plastic base, tinted blue window, and a nice chrome interior. This car is in that metal flake blue, so it looks really, really cool. This blue really stands out to me, so I think this is probably my favorite of the pair. Alright, let's get La Fasta and its technical drawing decal tampos onto the track and see how it goes. Now, you know, with the name La Fasta, you'd think it would be a little bit faster, but it wasn't that fast at all until I gave it the second push, and you know, it went around and again, but it was just really, really slow to get right back to the booster. I mean, it did keep going, but you know, if that track had been any longer, it wouldn't have gone around again. Alright everyone, smash that big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Let me know which of these two cars today, Fished and Chipped or La Fasta, is your favorite from today's video. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.